super simple dinner? Then let's make a one-pot dinner.
In a pan over medium-high heat, we're gonna add some olive oil. Once warm, we're gonna add half a white onion chopped. Then we're gonna add minced garlic, measure with your heart. Let those be friends for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add in 2 to 3 skinless chicken breasts chopped up. Season and measure with your heart with some onion powder and garlic powder.
Some crushed red pepper and smoked paprika and salt and pepper. We're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes, but we're gonna finish cooking the chicken later on.
I'm gonna add in some frozen broccoli because remember, frozen is just as nutritious as fresh. We're gonna add 1 cup of long grain rice, then add 2.5 cups of broth. Turn the heat up and bring to a boil. Once that is boiling, we're gonna cover, reduce heat to medium-low, and let cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once that cook time is up, we're gonna uncover and add some freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. Just measure with your heart.
And to make it more creamy, I'm gonna add some blended cottage cheese.
To top it off, I'm just gonna add some chopped up spinach. It is ready to eat once that spinach is wilted.